Dear friends and my dear students, welcome. PS lessons for 2020 to 2021 academic year. Removed syllabus details. Physical science. Most of students asking removed syllabus details. Now I would like to tell the details now. Yes, my dears, this is our physical science textbook, class 10. How many units are there? 12. From heat to carbon and its compounds, 12 chapters are there. Actually, total chapters are there, but some concepts in particular chapter is removed. So, first of all, heat. The first lesson heat from page 1 to, okay. Now, removed syllabus, page number 4. All of you take pencil, that is better. Page number 4, activity 4, removed. With pencil, mark into mark like that, and specific it active 5 also removed. Okay, so from 4 and 5 activity 3 is there, and activity 6 also okay. Next, removed syllabus from starting page number 10. Page number 10, evaporation. From evaporation, page number 10 to 17 removed. That means last page in the unit up to here. Okay. Okay, friends. Next, second chapter, acid and bases and salts from 20 to 21. Okay. And page number 22, activity 2 removed. Activity 2 removed. And okay, activity 2 only removed. 3 okay, and 4 also okay, 5 okay, 6 also is there, and 7 also is there. Very important question, this one. And page from 28 page number 28, page number 28, from here 28 to 30 page, activity 8, no, from the page 28 to 20, 30 up to here. Okay. Next, pH scale is there. pH scale 32 okay, 33 also okay, and activity 12 also okay. Next, removed page, starting again 35, page number 35, more about salts. More about salts. Okay, understand? pH total. Concept pH is totally okay. You must read. Importance of pH in everyday life. Now, 35 up to 40 page. That means last page. This is the chapter 2. Okay. Next, third unit, third chapter, refraction of light at plane surfaces. That 44 okay, 45 okay, 46 okay, 47 okay, and lab activity 1 also there in the syllabus. Yes, activity 4 remove the syllabus. Activity 4 from page number 50 to last page, up to from activity 4 to last page. Okay, remove the syllabus. Next, fourth chapter, refraction of light at curved surfaces. Starting page also removed from 63 to 70 page. Starting from here, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, okay, up to here. From again our syllabus starts from lenses. Lenses is start. Lenses syllabus is there. Okay, and okay, 72 page okay, 73 page okay, 74, 75 and 76 up to here. Now again remove syllabus, lab activity from 76 to last page in the chapter. Okay, lab activity from mark into up to last page. Remove syllabus. Next, human eye and colorful world. In this lesson, 86 page okay, 87 okay and 88 okay, but from page number 89 to 90, 2 pages are there. Structure of human eye, remove the syllabus. Okay, and next page also from 90 in the page, what is there? Focal length of the eye lens. And next page continue, this is okay, and defects of vision is there, myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, okay. Next, remove pages from starting 96 page. Page number 96. Dispersion and scattering of light. Page number 96 to last page. Remove the syllabus. Up to here. Okay. Next, chapter 6, structure of atom. Starting page, removed pages from triple one to 115, from this page to 112, 113, 114 and 115. Okay, in the middle of the page, Bohr's model of hydrogen atom and its limitations. It is there. It is in the syllabus. Tick mark from this one. In this page, starting Bohr's. Okay. Up to last page. Next, classification of elements and the periodic table. Starting page 127 okay, 28 okay, 29 okay, 130 also okay. Here Page number 131, Mendeleev's periodic table. Not there. Mendeleev, remote syllabus, this one. And table also. Next, Mendeleev's periodic table is there. And modern periodic table. You must read up to 140 pages. Okay. Next, removed pages starting from 141. Page number 141. Metals and non-metals. From 141 to last page. 141 to last page. Last page means this chapter. Metals now. On this page and up to last page. Okay. Next, chemical bonding. In chemical bonding, first page is there 153 and remote pages starting from page number 165. Formation of oxygen molecule from 165 to starting removed page up to ammonia also not, water also no, and drawbacks of electronic valency. And next again our syllabus starting from valency bond theory, page number 172. Valency bond theory is there. Yes, from here start. Next, 174. Formation of NH3 molecule and shape of water molecule. Removed syllabus. Next page also there here. That is about this chapter. Next, electric current is there from page number 179. Page number 180. Page number 180. Syllabus. Electronic current from page number 180 to 187. Removed pages from 180 page to 187 up to 187. Up to here. But you must learn about potential difference and EMF. Definitions are there. Okay. All of you read the definitions, potential difference and EMF. Next. Electric shock. Electric shock is there. Ohm's law. Okay. Ohm's law is there. And limitations also. Electric shock is removed the syllabus. Electric shock. And after again starting only electric shock 189 and 190. Again our syllabus starting from factors affecting the resistance of a material. Temperature and resistance is there. You must read the lessons and activities up to 194 up to 194 is our syllabus. Next page removed syllabus starting from 195 page number 195 from this page to last page. Yes, 195 to last page of this chapter. That means parallel and connection resistors, series, no. Next, electromagnetism. In this chapter, first page okay, next page 211 also okay, and 212 okay, 213 okay, magnetic field lines also there, and 214 also okay. From 215, page number 215, from this magnetic field due to currents, from this page to last page, 215 to last page in this chapter. Yes. Next, chapter Principles of Metallurgy, 11th chapter. In this chapter, syllabus, first page okay, 238, and 239 also is there, 240 also okay, no 240, now removed page, from this page to 247, table 2, remove the syllabus, and from 247 up to 247, remove syllabus up to this page. Next, again our syllabus starts from corrosion. Is there? Very important chapter in this activity 2, and diagram also is there. 248 okay, 249 okay, and again 248 is there, 249 also there, but again 250, remove the page from this page and next page also. That means blast furnace and reverberary furnace, remove the syllabus. Yes, last page, last chapter, carbon and its compounds. First page 254 is okay, 255 also okay, and 256 also okay. Next 257, from this chapter, removed page, hybridization, starting from here up to here. Again catenation is there, catenation, and hydrocarbons also in this syllabus. Okay, this page and this page also, but below homologous series is remove the pages, remove the syllabus. Now homologous series from here to last page. Okay. Okay, my dears, this is details about removed syllabus. All of you learn removed syllabus also. It is very helpful in upper classes, intermediate or degree. Okay, all the best. Thank you very much.